Hey there everyone, how we doing? We're taking a look at a new Seiko watch, and this is one of the new Black Series, and this one is the most expensive of the new Black Series that have come out so far in 2023, and this is the SLA067. Now this one is based on the 1965 modern reinterpretation of the 1965 diver's watch. And take a look at that box. You got your standard black box, but it's cool. It's got that green around the edge that symbolizes the green on the loom, which is going to be very cool. We're going to see it in a second here. This one comes with a native strap, and unlike the other Black Series, this one has a black strap instead of the brown strap. The black and the green just got a killer look to it here. Let's get it out of the little pouch. These little pouches we used to find a lot on the Astrons, but now they're coming up on all the SLAs also. And here we go. You can see it with the plastic on it. It's the native style strap. It is a special weave that they use. It's based on some of the woven clothing that samurai wear. It's a Seiko fabric, and weaving there, really durable, real strong, so great for a work-like watch. And here's the instructions, which talk about the strap. It's got moving loops on there. I've talked about them on some of the other videos that I've done when this style strap came out. So here we go at the Seiko strap on an SLA watch. SLA ones are pricier. They start with the introductory Grand Seiko movement inside, and also whenever you have the SLA in front, you know you're getting more of a premium style watch. But yes, with the introductory Grand Seiko movement, you do have the higher price point. This watch is priced at retail for $3,100, and it is a limited edition watch. It is a limited edition of only 600 worldwide. The serial number is engraved on the back. Here on the dial, it's supposed to have some texture on the dial here, but it's really hard to see. I'll try to get it in different light so you guys can see. It's kind of got a few stripes going across the dial there. And but check out that green loom, man. That thing really goes. This is their Black Series, but they call this particular series of the Black Series that they're doing the night vision, because it expresses the view of seen through a night vision scope. So you got that kind of cool green. The markers are with Seiko's brighter and longer lasting green Luma Bright Pro on the markers there. So again, it's the green Luma Bright Pro, and this watch is, even though it's got the higher price point, it is a work watch, and it is for professional usage. And with that bright green Luma Bright Pro, it's supposed to maximize visibility with the color most recognizable in the dark. And again, this movement is the introductory Grand Seiko movement. This is the 8L35, which is a 26 jewel movement, and this movement is hand assembled in Seiko Shizuki Ushi watch studio. And basically the 8L35 movement is kind of like the movement that they've been using to put into these higher end Seiko Lux Dive watches. And it's got a little bit wider hands on it to make it a little more visible and easier to read. The movement has a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, and the power reserve on this guy is 50 hours. And you know, it's an automatic, but it can also be wind. So here on the dial, I'm trying to move it back and forth so we can see the black stripes, the textured stripes that go across there. It's real subtle. It is hard to see on the camera here. but they're there. They're not as prominent like you see in the, in all the stock footage of it, the photos and stuff you see on the website. The black lines are there, and they kind of got a cool texture to them, a cool look to them. But the real, really blend in. You can see it a little bit there. There we go. There, got it there. You can see it kind of gives you that texture to it. It's a cool look instead of just being a plain flat black look, but it's real subtle. It's not as prominent that they would have you believe when you look at it, again, on all the stock photos on the site. And here you go. So here you got it on my wrist. My wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist, and you can see not very, very big at all. It's a great size, and it's real comfortable to wear. And here you got the black strap, a little bit better of a view for you here on that. And the case size on this one is 41.3 millimeters. The thickness is 13.1. And it's stainless steel with the black hard coating. And the water resistance on this guy is 200 meters or 660 feet. Because it has all the markers, it meets all the ISO standards and suitable for scuba diving. And the strap is a fabric strap, that special woven strap I was talking to you about earlier. And you can see how it flips up comfortably there with the excess, so it's not kind of in your way. And it's just a real cool watch overall. Here it is in the dark. Because of how bright it is, it's giving me some trouble focusing here on the screen. I'll move it back and forth a little bit so you can see it. Just a great watch overall. Only 600, so it's going to be a hard one to get. So if you get a chance and you really like it, pick it up now. I do like the other models in this new Night Vision Black Series as well. I will be taking a look at them, the Alpinist and the cushion-shaped, the ultra-thin Seiko Dive. So those will be two cool additions. But yeah, this guy's so bright, it's kind of messing with the sensors there. So it's hard to get a real clear reading on it. But it's nice and bright and just a cool overall look. Especially with that texture on the dial and everything. Real simple, but real classy looking watch overall, and fits real comfortable and everything. This is going to be one of my favorites of the year so far. A lot of great models again this year so far, but this one's a good one. All right, I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Please check us out at depaula's.com. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you all, and there we go, in focus a little bit. Bye for now, guys. Bye.